Ah,
Oi-
yes.
Mag-
Naim, can you read that? Okay.
Oesophagus.
Esophagus. Repeat the
Esophagus.
word esophagus.
Esophagus.
Even it is O is there. In English, O is silent. Clear? So it is esophagus. One, I am telling to everyone. Everyone have to learn the spelling esophagus. And it is O starting, not E, but our pronunciation is esophagus. Okay. Continue, Naim.
Stomach. Small
Yes.
intestine. Large
Intestine.
intestine.
Intestine. Okay. Okay, Ausepachan, can you read that parts with the correction what I gave, Naim? Pronounce like that, dear. Read the parts of the
Page number.
Eh?
lecture note. You did not write last class lecture note. The parts of the nutrition in animals.
I have some network issue that time. I hear going electricity.
Okay. Take your textbook then. Textbook page number. It is on 12. Page number 12. You can see that diagram. Have you seen the diagram? Ausepachan?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and there it is given. Second paragraph, digestion in humans. There is a something is given in the black bold letters. Read all that. Number 1, number 2 and all. Okay, read. Second paragraph. Have you seen digestion in humans, Ausepachan?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Number 1, which is in bold letters, bold black letters in the textbook. Read that. You have still audio issue, I think. Ausepachan?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Buccal cavity, number 1. Read that.
Buccal cavity. Number 1. Buccal cavity.
Number 2.
Food pipe
Or esophagus. Repeat the word.
esophagus.
Third.
Stomach.
Stomach. Okay. Is it STO? But we pronounce stomach. Okay. Stomach. Then fourth one.
Small intestine.
Small intestine. And fifth
Small
one.
intestine.
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Okay. Okay. Ashinanda. Okay. Ashinanda, can you read again that one? The main parts, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Unmute. Main parts. Those who did not get pronounced that names, please repeat, okay? While we read. Okay. You got it, Ashi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
Buccal cavity.
Buccal cavity.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Repeat the word.
Esophagus.
Okay. Next.
Liver.
Liver is not the part. Stomach. Say the part. Stomach.
Stomach.
Then?
Pancreas.
No. I think you are reading the letters from that diagram. Okay. Once again, I repeat. Ashinanda, repeat after me.
Okay,
The main parts, buccal cavity. Repeat the word.
Buccal cavity.
Food pipe or esophagus. Second part. Food pipe or esophagus.
Food pipe or esophagus.
Yes. Third part, stomach.
Stomach.
Fourth part, small intestine.
Small intestine.
And fifth one, large intestine.
Large intestine.
Okay. Yes. Alan
Yes,
Situ, can you read once again, dear? Yes. Parts of the digestive system. Read, Alan. Unmute. I can't hear you. Just take your this thing, take your mic. Just take it. Close. You have something on that. Press that. There's a something on that. Can you press that? Something is rolling and all. Maybe you must have switched off that. Hello? Hello? Okay, he's not able to. Okay, children. Nihal Mustafa, can you read? Okay, Alan. I think your audio has
Ma'am,
a
he
problem.
was not there in last class. Easy.
But I cannot hear. How you can hear, Naeem?
Little bit.
Lip. Okay. Nihal Mustafa, read the parts.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear. Only Alan Siju, I could not hear. Read.
Buccal cavity,
Okay.
food pipe or esophagus,
Very good.
stomach,
Yes.
small intestine,
And
large intestine.
okay, children. So these are the main parts. Now we are going to learn one by one. What is the function of the buccal cavity? And we call all these parts together. All these parts together, we will call alimentary canal. So, okay, digestive system all together, we will call a common name, because in this chapter, we are going to learn little more new words. Okay, so some words are very difficult, but we will learn. Because biology, as we go higher and higher, you are going to have this kind of new scientific terms. Clear? Maybe some of them you have learned in 6th standard, but still we have more in this class. Okay. So all together, all the parts together, we call them as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means ALIMENTARY. So all the parts of the digestive system together we call alimentary canal. Say the word. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. That is ALIMENTARY. That is from here to here. What I have.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you. Okay. Children, as you see in the picture, you can see all that purple color is given. That is the entire system of our digestive system, starting from mouth. So this is our buccal cavity. Then from here, it comes to food pipe. This is our food pipe. Then come here, it is stomach. Okay, from here, food pipe, then this is our stomach, and after stomach, you will see what is in this inside part is known as small intestine, and small intestine is covered by another part which is called large intestine. And all these parts have different parts. So main parts of our buccal cavity, we have got teeth, mouth, salivary gland, all that. So we will learn one by one. So what you call for entire this one, what I have rounded, the entire system is known as alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal. So this is the spelling of alimentary. So all the parts together. So you can write on your note all the parts of yes, we have already started new chapter in the last class. All the parts of human digestive system. Copy down. All the parts of human digestive system. Digestive system means DIGES.
Don't rub.
I'm not rubbing. There's a mistake. So no, it's not clear. 1 minute. All the parts of digestive. Because maybe my handwriting may not be clear to you, so I'm writing little bit. So all the parts of human digestive system is known as. Yes.
Can you change the color of that pen?
Change the color. You can see the red color.
Yes, ma'am, but another color. My eyes, like something is coming like that.
Mm. Okay, background I will change. Maybe the background little dark, no? So I'll change the background.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, background. What do you want to see?
Ma'am, white.
White.
White. Okay. Okay. Because this has a white
I'm done, Rab.
structure. Ah. Yeah. All the parts of
Yeah.
human digestive system is known as alimentary canal. That means all this, what you call entire system. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will move on to the,
Nutrition stuff.
yes, starfish is later we will learn. Later we will learn.
And
Huh?
mute it.
Ma'am, this yellow board we want to write.
Children, please, who is that sound now more?
Ma'am, name.
Rihan is okay, but now someone else. Okay. Okay, children, we are now the same thing what we are moving on to. Okay, same thing what we are moving on to only. So once again, these are the parts I already told you. Next, we will move on to, we are going to learn various processes. Next is, you can write various processes involved in digestion of food in humans. Various processes involved in digestion of food in humans. After this, we go to the different parts. So these are the various processes. Digestion means, it doesn't mean that one thing. Children, now don't write. Now don't write. I'll give you time for it. You first listen to me. Various process means our digestion of the food is not one, you just eat it and then it is digested. No, it is a very big process. And this very big process contain of, mainly there are 4 process. It included 4 process. I think one more process is there. Last process, digestion. So there are mainly 5 process involved. The first process name is ingestion. Say the word, all of you. Ingestion. Injection alla. Ingestion.
Injection.
Ingestion. Injection alla. Injection means JECTION. This is just ingestion. Ingestion. Simple ingestion. So ingestion spelling is INGESTION. INGESTION. That is ingestion. Second part, same word, digestion. This is a simple process in that, but totally we call digestive system, but this is a separate process. And third one, absorption. Say the word.
Absorption.
Absorption. Absorption. Absorption. Absorb. Say the word absorb.
Absorption.
So that noun is known as absorption. Repeat.
Absorption.
Absorption. Okay. Then fourth word, assimilation. Repeat the word.
Assimilation.
Assimilation. That's symbol. That is symbol. And then last process is ingestion. Ingestion. First one, ingestion, not injection. Ingestion. Simple ingestion. Fifth word is ingestion. And then second word, digestion, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and ingestion. So these are the various processes. You can just name first process. What do you mean by ingestion? Just write ingestion. You can write now various process involved in digestion of food in humans. You only write which I have rounded. You only write what I rounded. Don't write this thing and all. Okay. That I will be giving you as we are going to study one by one. Okay, now you
And
only
we want
learn.
to put the gap for that.
No
and
need,
you
no need. You just write number 1, number 2, number 3. No need of to putting the gap over there because
And you can
later we are going to learn one process, each process detail. So now you only write the word which I rounded. You write the heading, various process involved in digestion of food in humans.
And you
Then-
can show first one.
This one, which first one are you talking?
Man, all the part of human
That
digest.
that already we have completed here last class.
Ma'am, that only one, that sentence. So
Yes. Did you write the name buccal cavity and all?
No, ma'am.
That in last class I have
ma'am.
given. Those are present.
Yes,
They have.
ma'am, I write it.
Okay, fine.
I write it, ma'am.
It is in the textbook page number 12. You can see that. Clear?
Ma'am, we want to draw that.
Not drawing. I only want you to write one by one. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. Number 4, assimilation.
Ma'am.
Right?
ma'am, can you show the fifth one?
Fifth one I will show you. Wait. Let
Ma'am,
others write.
ma'am, we want not write that meaning.
Ingestion.
Ma'am, do you take attendance?
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in the beginning, less
Ma'am, we'll
students.
take last class.
Now, children, fifth one. I am writing here because I don't want to change the slide. Some are copying this. Egestion. EGSTION. Egestion.
Ma'am, can I take the photo of these?
Yeah, you take the photo. Someone wants, you can take the photo. Anyway, in the printer notes, I am giving. No problem. Those who want, you can take the photos. Printer notes, all these things are there. So that's I don't want it. Only you just learn these terms now. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. I'll be coming to this slide when we learn one by one. Okay, because each one is a different parts of the digestive system. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you completed? So those who want to write fifth one, you can write egestion. Fifth one, egestion. I have written because I am not going to change the slide. You can see it.
No right meaning.
Meaning, no. It is the process. It's the name of the process. Okay. For
Ma'am,
example,
Only write that name.
only write the name. Only write the name. Okay. Why I'm telling you, we are going to learn part by part. Therefore, I will be repeating these sentences again. So I don't want you to repeat again. So, over.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you read the fifth one?
Egestion. 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 It's the next slide. EGESTION. Egestion. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are now coming to learn one by one function. So first function we can talk it about buccal cavity. So first thing we are going to learn function of buccal cavity. Function of buccal cavity. So next heading function of buccal cavity. Children, you have the textbook with you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So you have PT1 portions. I'm giving you PT1 portion. now
exam
only.
will be there.
Yes, on 25th onwards. 25th of July onwards, you will have first periodic test. And first periodic test, the portion, it will be sent to your group. But now I personally am telling you, inside you can write down PT1 portion chapter 1. Chapter 1, which is the chapter 1 full. Nutrition in plants.
Only that, ma'am?
No. Now chapter 2. Chapter 2, you don't have full chapter. I'll be giving the page number. So in that page number only you have to study. Okay. That is nutrition Nutrition in animals. Chapter 2, page number. You have textbook, all of you. Take the chapter 2, all of you. Chapter 2. All of you take chapter 2.
Page number.
I'll give. Wait, let me take.
Okay.
Chapter 2.
Nutrition in animals. What we are just now discussing.
Yes, ma'am, that is.
Chapter page number 11.
12.
11.
11.
Starting from 11. Okay.
11.
Page
From
number 11 to page number 11 to page number 50. Only 5 pages from this chapter.
chapter is not there.
Not there. We won't be completing. So we will only complete the function of buccal cavity.
Ma'am, up to that only the
Ma'am,
exam
will
will
be
be
there.
there.
Ma'am,
page
to that
number
only
11 to
page number 11 to 15.
Ma'am.
Do you have textbook, all of you? Do you have textbook?
Yes, ma'am, we have.
So go to page number 15, dear. Page number 15.
Yes, ma'am, there is a stomach picture.
In that, have you seen the word, the food pipe or esophagus?
Yes,
Heading.
ma'am. Food.
Food pipe or esophagus. Just above it. Just above it.
Stomach also.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
on diagram.
Yes, ma'am, I saw fifth question.
Esophagus and stomach.
Aaron from is calling you.
Yeah, now because let me ask everyone's doubt, then I can listen to others. So you just, all of you just mark above food pipe. There is a 5th point up to there. No need of studying the food pipe function esophagus. Now Aaron, what is your doubt?
When that blue
Others mute it. Others mute it, please.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt.
Just mute it. Let me ask Aaron first.
2.4, ma'am, up to activity 2.4.
Yes. Up to that. Okay. Then who is having another doubt? Aaron, please kindly mute it.
Ma'am, it's
Uh.
not a doubt, ma'am, but
Uh.
I haven't gotten my English grammar textbook.
English grammar textbook. Okay. Tell
Yes,
your parents to just contact the office
Okay,
number.
ma'am.
Okay. Because books are given by from the office. Okay. You can go to it. And grammar under whatever Anju ma'am is teaching you. Anju ma'am? Or which ma'am is teaching you? Okay. Whatever Anju ma'am is giving, that is the one you have to study for the exam. Clear? Yeah. Any others have a doubt regarding this?
Up to where the exam will be there.
Huh?
Exam 51, exam up to where.
So far, it is not mentioned whether it is MCQ or written. Okay. We will wait. I am just giving well in advance the portion. Your exam is going to be starting from last week of this month, July. Okay.
And it will be ending on when.
That's what I'm telling. That is not confirmed date. That's not confirmed date.
Wait, no. But month?
That and all. Listen, all of you just mute it. All these only portions are given to you. The timing and everything will be sent by in your group. By sending you a group by today or tomorrow. It will be ready. Okay. Now only I am giving the my portion. That means nutrition in plants full. Your notes should be completed. And nutrition in animals, I will be giving you notes up to where we have to study. That notes I will be giving. Okay. Even we will be studying esophagus, but still that portion may not be there for your exam. Clear? Yes. Now, dear children, shall we go back to the function of buccal cavity? At present, you only write this much point. Rest of the point we will discuss in next class. Function of buccal cavity. Buccal cavity mainly have 4 parts. Which are the 4 parts? Mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, taste buds. Okay. So just write parts of the buccal cavity. So every part of the digestive system has different parts. So buccal cavity consists of mouth, teeth, salivary gland. Say the word. Salivary gland.
Salivary gland.
Salivary gland means where we get saliva. Correct? Whenever in your mouth we have a saliva. Correct? So saliva
Yes,
produced by a gland which is in your tongue, that is known as salivary gland.
Ma'am, it is on our tongues down, no?
Yes, it is not. It is every part of our tongue as well as up and down everywhere. Okay. Then taste buds. Taste buds is our tongue has got a small tiny cells to detect the taste, whether it is a sour, whether it is a chili, or whether it is a sweet. There is some kind of tissues or cell that is there in our tongue that is known as taste buds. And teeth, you know, teeth means where you grind our food. So buccal cavity consists of mouth,
Ma'am,
teeth.
attendance.
I'll take. There is time. Mouth, teeth, salivary gland, tongue, taste buds. Have you completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can write the next point. Ingestion takes place in buccal cavity. Now you see the process injection takes place in buccal cavity. Write down. Ingestion takes place in buccal cavity.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay, fine. Now everyone go to the previous slide. Then you write down
Ma'am, can I share the board?
previous one.
Yes. Not. Okay.
Ingestion takes. Don't write which is written after that. Only this. Ingestion takes place in buccal cavity. So where does ingestion takes place? In buccal cavity. Now next point. Did you complete, Naeem?
Take place. Okay.
Take place where? Buccal
Buccal
cavity.
cavity.
Don't forget that. It's for MCQ. It will come. Now next point, right? What do you mean by injection? That's I telling you one by one. I will be explaining to you. Injection means process of taking food into the body. When you
Ma'am, I have written only for.
Okay. So those who did not write, now you can write the next point. Ingestion means the process of taking food into the body. Ingestion means the process of taking food into the body. That's it. When you take a food and then you eat it, then it will be ingestion. Okay, so I am taking attendance now. So those are complete. You complete you this much. Adit, Tusha. Adit,
Ma'am, all
Tusha.
right meaning.
Only write ingestion. This is don't write. Okay. Adi Tushar, present? Are you present? No. Today, so many absent. I can see only few. Ahil?
Present, ma'am. Present.
Aaron Swami, present. Abel Joffy, present? No, Abel is not present. Abhay Nath? Abhay?
Ma'am, he is always absent, ma'am.
Oh God, this children.
Ma'am, he lived, ma'am.
I don't give him attendance. That's it. Those who leaving, I don't give. Abhinad absent. Adu's absent. All. Alan Siju was here.
Yes, ma'am. You ask him
Alisha Jain, Ashinanda, Badi, Fatima, Irene. Ishaq was there in the beginning, I
Yes,
think.
ma'am. And he left it.
Those who leave in between, no attendance. Lemin absent. Fas absent.
Ma'am, can you share the previous board?
Ma'am, first.
Fas is present. Where is your video? I cannot even see. Okay. Have we completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I wind up the session now?
Ma'am, you put my name is present, ma'am.
Wait. Before waiting, I just enable waiting room because 8th standard students are joining in the class. So I just wait. Okay. Mohammed Fas, where is Fas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed Safwan, I saw him somewhere.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Safan, why you are switching off the video, dear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am put on the video.
Okay. Nihal Mustafa, Avse Pachan, Paul Hansel, Pranav. Pranav absent.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav absent.
No, ma'am, he is present.
Where is
Ma'am,
he?
present.
Ah, okay,
I am
fine.
also present.
Okay, I have seen. Priyadatta present. Riha Fatima present? No. Rahan present. Rihan? Rihan absent.
Rehan also present.
I'm
ma'am.
present.
Where is he?
Man, down.
Ah, okay. Oh, you are always putting Ryan, so I got confused. Sebastian? No, absent. Shreya Prajit. Shreya. She also continuously absent. Okay, children. Thank you very much. We will meet at 3:40. Get ready with your
Thank you, ma'am.
seminar.
You, ma'am.
Be ready.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, only that time seminar only.
No. I have given you 3-4 students. All of you.
Yes, ma'am, I
Ah,
was there.
yes. We will meet at